Animals in spaceflight originally served to test the survivability of spaceflight before human spaceflights were attempted. Later, many species were flown to investigate various biological processes and the effects microgravity and spaceflight might have on them. Bioastronautics is an area of bioengineering research that spans the study and support of life in space. To date, 7 national space programs have flown animals into space: the United States, Soviet Union, France, Argentina, China, Japan, and Iran. A wide variety of animals have been launched into space, including monkeys and apes, dogs, cats, tortoises, mice, rats, rabbits, fish, frogs, spiders, quail eggs, which hatched in 1990 on Mir. Mir was a space station that operated in low Earth orbit from 1986 to 2001. And insects. The U.S. launched the first Earthlings into space, fruit flies, in 1947, and flights carried primates between 1949 and 1961, with one flight in 1969 and one in 1985. France launched 2 monkey-carrying flights in 1967. The Soviet Union and Russia launched monkeys between 1983 and 1996. During the 1950s and 1960s, the Soviet space program used a number of dogs for suborbital and orbital space flights. 2 tortoises and several varieties of plants were the first inhabitants of Earth to circle the moon. On the September 1968 Zond 5 mission, turtles followed on the November 1968 Zond 6 circumlunar mission, and 4 turtles flew to the moon on Zond 7 in August 1969. In 1972, 5 mice, Phi, Phi, Pho, Fum, and Fui, orbited the moon a record 75 times in Apollo 17's Command Module America, the last crewed voyage to the moon. Background: animals had been used in aeronautic explorations since 1783, when the Montgolfier brothers, Montgolfier, let's see what this is.
Montgolfier.
That was not helpful. Anyway, this is only a test anyway, so let's see how this uploads to YouTube.